Ooh. You ever walk into a Sears tire shop back in the 80s and 90s? This is what that room smelled like. I don't get it. Watch this. I'm just going to lay it down. This is not your grandfather's stick welder. Okay, welcome back to the channel, everybody. If you're new here, we do pretty much everything. We do Model Ts, antique cars, we do welding, we do plasma cutting, we do CNC work, and we got mail. Now, Abby's not able to be here this week, but the other Abby from Bestarc has sent us, looks like a MIG145, a 220 plug. That's cool. MIG welder, torch, earth clamp, stick, flux core wire, solid wire, contact tips, rollers, gas hose, adapter, shoulder strap. See, I knew there was supposed to be a shoulder strap. What was it, that little yellow one, I think, was supposed to have a shoulder strap on it, but it didn't. 60% duty cycle. Duty. That would be an inside joke between my daughter and I. Man, those Chinese, the cardboard that they use is absolutely amazing. This thing is stiff. This is the kind of box you want to keep. Foam. Nothing to write home about. Ow. I just got static shocked off my table. Oh, that's different. Would you look at that? Let's take a look. Okay. Top loader and a wire feed button. Super secret decoder ring in here. Oh, it's got inches and communist measurements. So that's good. People like me won't get confused. It's kind of like it feels kind of like a tackle box. This is the front. It's got a short little cord on it. Okay. We got one of these doohickeys. Looks like my extension cord will work. We got gas in, on and off. Okay, in addition to the main component, and I know I'm doing this all backwards because you're supposed to look at all the accessories first, like every other YouTube video out there, and then unpack the big box. The grand finale. I'm doing things backwards. Okay, we got tips. Look at the tiny, tiny hole in that. Well, there's 35, there's 30, so I'm going to go out on a limb and say these tips are 30, but they look awful small. 0.8, 10. So is this the 0.8 that's in there? It's the same sticker. 110 adapter. I've got a bunch of them here now. Gas hose. There's a carry strap for the top. Goes through here. We got a stick welder. That's beefy. Oh my God. That takes more to open than my Lincoln. Wow. I don't know if I like that or not. That's twice what one of them little hand squeezy things we used to have back in the 80s to make you stronger. That's twice the tension of one of those. Gotta be. How about this one? Whoop. Yeah, this takes half the effort that this takes to squeeze. This is more like I'm getting stronger now. Okay, there's some instructions here well, let's take a look at them. Okay, this is better than the Bestarc instructions. And the only reason I'm saying that, because I haven't read it yet, but the size. I can actually see the words. The one that came with that Art Captain was microscopic. I had to print it out on full-size paper, blow it up, and put it in a binder. Ooh. You ever walk into a Sears tire shop back in the 80s and 90s? This is what that room smelled like.
Now at Sears Auto Center, we're introducing 3 new tires at the lowest sale prices of the season.
Oh, it's coming off of my hands too. It's that sticky smell from Sears. Sears Summer Spectacular.
The latest breakthrough from Craftsman, the thin profile ratchet. It's thinner and stronger than even our most popular rat.
You ready? It's got the same Knight Rider vibes that one has. We have a bunch of settings. 2T, 4T was a stupid name. Synergenic, AV, 030, Generation 9. It says fan, MIG, TIG. Oh man, look at the display on this thing. MMA, isn't that like wrestling? 30, 35, 40. This is the shielded. Okay, so the cord is, that's a 6-foot cord. 6 feet should get you where you need to be. Now to load this, I'm going to take this off. This is going to go on. I want it to, oh, that's much better. I want it to come off here and go in here. So we're going to take our stuff open, but I need to cut this. And I need to be very careful because once you cut it or release it, this whole roll is going to start unfurling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it. I'm going to start feeding it in here. Okay. If my women's intuition is correct, this button should make the wire move. It's only 6 feet. How long does it take? I feel it. Uh-oh. Okay. I ran into this trouble with the last one. Okay, this is the 1/0. What do we have for tip? Oh, 1 millimeter or whatever the hell it is. This one says, I don't know. Okay. Remember I said that was so tiny? Well, I guess it will go through. Get a little burr in the end, maybe. Yeah, 1.0. Okay. And I'm unfamiliar with the machine, so I'm going to shut it off when I'm not playing with it. Now, because there's no gas, we don't really need this, but I'm going to put it on anyway. Okay. Hard to believe there's flux inside that wire. It's so small. This is buttoned up. Look at this size. All right, anyway, let's set you down somewhere over here. All right, you ready? Let's see, is it hot all the time? Nope. Something's wrong. Okay, I'm currently negative ground and I got nothing. Oh, now I got something. My feed switch isn't working. Where is it? Let's try turning it up. We'll go to 60. I hope I'm not. I think I'm hitting my camera. Oh my God, that is terrible. Yeah, I think I hit the camera. That is terrible. What am I doing wrong? I'm going to switch these. I'm probably making your motion sick here, but let's try it the other way around. Okay, we made more smoke, but we are not making even a dent here. Turn it up again. I'm going up to 110. I'm also going to move further away from the camera. Okay, 110. Left something on the plate. So here we have attempt number 1, attempt number 2, attempt number 3, and then I cranked it up to 110 and I got that. That one is not bad. This is crap. So I had it turned way down. So when I turned it up to 3/4 of its capacity, apparently, it seemed to do okay. Let's try the stick. Let's move away from the car. Acid electrode. Raw acid. Kill it with acid. Earth clamp positive socket. Okay. Always takes a minute to get acclimated, so yeah, we had it backwards at first. Here's a picture of the stick. Apparently, the stick goes on this side. Okay, I don't know what DCE stands for, but I'm thinking it's the flame end. MMA. Let's get ready to weldo. Wait, MMA, that's wrestling, right? It's got to be. Why does this take so long to strike an arc? There's the smell from my childhood. Let's go up to 100 and see what happens. Alright, I'm just going to touch the table, see what happens. That's nuts. I don't get it. Watch this. I'm just going to lay it down. This is not your grandfather's stick welder. What in the world? I do not know what just happened. aside from me burning the table. This was the first one, right? That was at 80. No, that was at 100. I turned it down, didn't I? This is nuts. I just laid the electrode down like I set it down on the ground and just zoop. I am not used to that. I fight with that thing to strike an arc. I mean, these rods are better. These rods are a lot better than my old ones. I thought it was broken because I was going and nothing would happen, but if I just and held it there, it just started. Stick welding with this is surprisingly easy. Let's get ready to rumble, whatever they call it on the back of that thing. The acid stick. Acid stick. All right, compared to the Arc Captain on the back, this is the Arc Captain. This is the kids' practice welds. And then I did hit it with the TIG afterwards. I'm still trying to figure the TIG out. I gotta try this one more time. I have never, ever been able to strike an arc that easy on anything. We'll leave you up here. I do not have my shield on, so I'm going to be doing this with my eyes closed, but you'll get to see. Oh, you're gonna make a liar out of me. That's nuts. All right, we'll just lay it down here and see what happens. That is absolutely insane. That is absolutely insane. I banged the tip. That's probably why it's stuck. And I can feel it's coming through the backside on my glove. This whole piece is just about too hot to hold now. So, I mean, it's getting in there. I did not think I was going to like the stick welder on this at all. Now I got to try that one. I did not think I was going to. Look how the end of it is actually sunk in. The end of the acid stick. It's actually made a cone. Hopefully that's coming through on camera. So the shield, it's actually got a shield around it like that. I did not think I was going to like this, but I do. And if I want to go back to MIG, all I have to do is unplug this, plug this back in, and I'm MIGging away. Well, I'd show you more, but that's all there is to it. Okay, if you want to see me make something with this Bestarc equipment, subscribe and click on to the next video because it's going to be the next video. We're still waiting for the owner to come pick this up. He's still sick. I hope he gets better soon and he's not suffering too much. But yeah, we got Bestarc plasma cutter, Bestarc welder, yeah, we're going to make something.